Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video, we have covered how to install Visual Studio Code and WinGW on our system. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to check it out as it is an essential step before moving forward. Now that everything is installed and set up, let's dive into learning what is C all about. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more programming tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's start with the basics. What is C? C is a programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie at AT&T's Bell Labs in the USA in 1972. It's one of the oldest and most influential programming languages originally created for developing the Unix operating system. C had a massive impact on many other languages like C++, Java, Python, and more. In fact, if you know C, you will find it much easier to pick up these other languages because they share many of the same concepts. Mastering C will give you a strong foundation for learning almost any programming language there. I have also put together a playlist that you should bookmark for easy access to all the tutorials in the series. In today's video, we have some of the exciting goals. First, we will be writing our very first C program. Then we will break down its components to understand what each part does. And top of it, I will give you some extra practice exercises to reinforce what you have learned so far. Let's dive in. Let's start our video by opening the VS Code, and also you need to create a file named main.c. Alright, so now let us write a basic code in our code editor. You can also follow me and write it with me. Alright, so we had written our C program. So let's run it. Congratulations, you have written your first C program and run it, and you have got our output named Hello World. So now let us break down this code into pieces. I will be explaining what is this hashtag include stdio.h. It is a pre-processing header file which you need to include in your each and every C programming file, and there are more files like this. What does it do is that it tells our compiler to add standard input-output file in our C program. It's this much. Now, let us understand what is this. Int main. It is a function and its type. Right? This is the type of the function and this is the name of the function. Alright? So, as you can see, we have written int main. Without int main, our C program cannot be run. You can try it and change the name of the function to something else and run it. And tell me the answers in the comment. What do you see? So, each and every C program requires a main function because it is a requirement for C. Then let us move forward by understanding what does this line mean. It is also a function which is not created by us, but it is already in our standard input-output file, and we are using it to print hello world in our terminal. And what is this semicolon? It is an ending symbol which we need to use after each and every statement in our program. And at the last, return 0. Now we will cover this one thing in our further lessons, as it will be a basic, it will be a little bit advanced, which you will not like to learn currently. Now, as you can see, you have printed hello world. Now what I would like you to do is go to your code editor and print Monday to Sunday to Sunday. Alright. in each and every line. Then I would also like you to do print your name. Then I would also like you to do print more of things like print a number. Right? Now you can do all of these programs by your own after what I had shown you. You need to do experiments, you need to solve the errors, or if you cannot solve the error, you can comment out. I will definitely help you what you need to do. But that's it for today. I will see you in the next lecture. Until then, keep learning. Bye-bye.